Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the St. Patrick's Day look, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First I'm going to start with this dark green. I'm using the Lauren Magic gel on my ring finger and my thumb. Once I'm done applying this, I'm going to cure it in my light for 30 seconds. Alright, after that first layer is cured, I'm going to go back in with that same green and I'm going to add a second coat. Once that's cured, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Lime of the Party. I'm going to apply that on my pointer finger, and then I'm going to go in with Light Elegance Gold and I'm going to apply that on my pinky and kind of do like a fade and then cure for 30 seconds in my light. Now I'm going to do a second coat on my pointer finger and my pinky, and then I'm going to go in on my middle finger and I'm going to use Light Elegance Gold and Light Elegance Green Gummy and kind of do a glitter fade. I mean a glitter ombre. And I'm so sorry about the lighting, you guys. I tried my hardest. It does get better later down the video because my fiance came home and helped me, but I do apologize about the light and the saturation and stuff. Greens don't really come up that great on my camera, so I don't know what I'm doing with that, so he had to help me out there a little bit. So at the end results, you guys will see the true colors of everything. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the Born Pretty plate, the BP-L006. I'm going to be using this kind of chevron design, and I'm going to apply that on my pointer finger. I kind of suck at stamping like this, so you guys will see me mess up a little bit, and the final stamping didn't come out quite as good, so I had to go back and clean it up a little bit with my Buttercreams. So it's just to keep in mind. I mean, if you're better at stamping, you probably wouldn't have to clean it up, but I definitely had to go back in and clean it up just a little bit. Alright, now that we're done with the stamping, I'm going to be taking a dotting tool and my Light Elegance Buttercreams in the black, and I'm going to be making a 3-leaf clover. I just basically made like 3 little hearts, and then I kind of attached them together and put a little tail on it. They came out pretty great actually, because when I first tried it, it was actually really horrible, so I definitely like the way that they came out this time. And then I'm going to also go in with the Light Elegance Buttercream in the metallic gold, and I'm going to add some gold accents as well. And I did flash cure in between each clover, so after I was done, I flash cured it for 10 seconds and then finished the next one. And then when I was done with the whole thing, after I added the gold and everything, and I had it just the way I liked it, then I went in and fully cured it for 30 seconds in my light. And sorry, my hand is in the way for the gold. I didn't realize that you guys couldn't see what I was doing, but I am making that 3-leaf clover that I did just in the metallic gold this time, and I made them slightly smaller. And as you can see now, my fiance came home and helped me with the light. I did go ahead and add some gold accents to my pointer finger. I didn't get that on camera, but I did do that with my striping tool and it came out awesome. I definitely loved it. And yeah, I just kind of had fun with this design. I didn't really know too much what I was going to do, but I hope that you guys like this look. Now I'm going to go in with my Light Elegant Super Shiny Top Coat, and I'm going to apply that on all of my nails. And just in case you guys are wondering, I did do this on a finished filed nail, so I'm just adding that top coat, and then I'm going to cure my light for 60 seconds. And these are my final results. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look because I definitely enjoyed making it and creating it for you guys. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye!